Welcome to a new video. Today, let's go use Grok AI to try to improve the results in a mobile phone game called F1 Clash. Let's go into our Grok profile and open a new project. In the title of the project, put the name you prefer best. In our case, we put this title. Now you have to explain to Grok the characteristics of this project. In our case, we have put the web page of the company that produces the video game and some characteristics of the one we desire from Grok. It must behave like a virtual F1 team principal. You can also indicate whether you want it to behave similarly to a real F1 team principal, e.g. Vassar or Brawn, etc. In our case, the team is called Sierra. You can also put the name of the group you decided to join. In our case, it is the Lego Team group. At this point, we load some screenshots of our cell phone into the file section. This information will be read by Grok to understand the situation of our virtual F1 team and to try to give us strategies and tactics to use during the game to achieve better results. If you want to change the name of the project, all you have to do is click the pencil to the right of the project name to change it. At the same time, if you want to change some explanations to give Grok regarding your project, click on the pencil to the right of the instructions section and you can change what you want. Remember to select the car option in the project, so you don't have any limitations on the maximum number of answers Grok can give you with your free profile. You will be able to delete or add more files at any time you wish. At this point, all you have to do is start creating the first prompts to ask Grok to analyze your data and create the first game strategies. As you can see, this is the first prompt we created. Start generating your prompt and find out what results you can get from Grok. We have the first answer. As you can see, Grok is able to give you detailed information about the game, so you can get comprehensive information simply from the photos that have been uploaded from our cell phone. We get information on which machine components would be best used, which pilot configuration to use, and which to update before the others. Finally, Grok is also able to provide a tactical plan to follow during the morning, afternoon, and evening. Let's try asking for a more consistent plan by simply clicking on one of the options suggested by Grok. As you can see, you can even request that I summarize the explanation I made. Now let's enter the second prompt and see what suggestions we can get from Grok to have a checklist of what to do. Create your own and follow it to see if you can get the most out of this game. If you want to compete with us, look for the Sierra team in the F1 Clash game. See you on the track. See you soon.